get started. First, we need to make sure your hands are clean. Start by washing with soap and water. First, we're going to melt the chocolate. Let's dump them in the bowl. Next, we need to melt them in the microwave. Start stirring. Stir, 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 stir. Chocolate. We're going to dump the sprinkles in here for the chocolate covered strawberries to decorate. That was like so satisfying. It was. Next, we're going to dip our strawberries and then put it on the paper. So let's start doing that. Dip it on. They went a little too overboard with the sprinkles. A little too overboard. Just looks so good. I think Taylor's gonna love these. Take it out for all the chocolate. I think I just need one more. Now we're going to melt these candies to drizzle on top.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we just stir this up.
Get it all up. Oh, drizzle. Now we're going to pour it in this bag to drizzle on the strawberries.
Can you do that?
Okay, I'll try, kind of. Try my best to get that good there. I think this one should have it. These look so good. Now I need to put them in the fridge. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna eat a strawberry. Looks really fresh. I think they should be done. Let's check. Yeah, they are good. Don't they look so good? Yeah, do it. They look so good, right? I'm having this one, Tay. It won't eat this one now. This is yummy. I hope you'd enjoyed making chocolate covered strawberries with me. And these are really good.